I'm Thomas Johan, the founder, and I have introduced this Jade and Tan Home Retail Private Limited under the name Jade and Tan Adorning Homes, where we concentrate on a category which is all wall and table related. It is basically a gallery. We have 100% Indian handcrafted, trying to help all our artisans portray this artisans' efforts and creativity through this brand. We have more than 1,300 variety as of now. With this small boutique, we are able to display about 50% of them. The rest would be launched very soon. Today being the launch day, I would like to introduce a little more about the brand. Basically, the whole model is a restoration model where the entire interior, about 80% of this is a restoration model where we have used most of the used products from the facade to the interiors, trying to help keep the investments initially low so that I can pass on the benefits back to the consumers. Bangalore is a chosen city in terms of the lifestyle, what the younger groups and the older groups have in terms of their living style. So hence thought that we would start from Bangalore. We welcome franchisees model, and we are preparing for it. There are a lot of inquiries to be covered as of now. Today being the launch day, we would like to introduce about 680 products in the store as of now. The rest would be coming in soon. We would be also venturing into online. The next phase of it is going to be online. So all the consumers can shop through online as well. We also welcome customization. Apart from that, coming back to the serious portion of pricing, we have a low price challenge, best price challenge. We have taken that oath. We're going to be the cheapest when it comes to the city or in India. Our prices are going to be real. We have a price range starting from 99 rupees up to 9,000 rupees. That's going to be our bracket of pricing, which is affordable for any class and any community of people.
Professor Patrick, I stay very close to Marathali, and I just came to visit this Jade and Tan. And in this vicinity, I have not found, I've been here for more than 25 years, but I have not found a shop which is both, in terms of varieties and in terms of pricing. Because I looked at some of the products, it starts from 300 to up to 9,000 rupees. So the range is very, everybody can afford, and it's all local products. I was surprised to see that none of them are from abroad. It's all made by local artisans, Indian artisans, and all these products are, in terms of variety, is amazing. And good number of choices, both for small houses and for large houses. We can have many of these products, and I am very impressed, and very nice to find one near my house and also near Whitefield. I think it's one of the best places ever visited now in the recent times. Though we have big showrooms, the space may be small, but I found this collections amazing, and I think everybody must have a look at this place.
Hey, I'm Tanja Thomas. I just walked in today to the brand Jade and Tan, and I recommend this brand to all the youngsters, everyone out there. I think the pricing, the quality, and the products which they have brought are really amazing and ethnic. So yeah.